What's up, guys? Just chilling. Found a nice spot. Pretty nice building. Took the G. Met up with a couple boys. Got 350Z HR here. Bagged with some wheels. Check it out. Super clean. My buddy's Corvette. It's a Grand Sport. Headers, exhaust, and a tune. Pretty dope. 7-speed manual. Sounds amazing. You already know. 6.2 liter V8. Sounds amazing. Pretty nice spot. Super nice. Whee! It's like, this color is actually called San Marino Blue. I've seen a couple Z's online with this color. I really like it. It's super nice, man. 6-speed manual with Brembo brakes. Solid. Pretty nice. Aftermarket front bumper. Not sure which one this is. Just got it painted like a couple months ago. Super nice. This is my car, guys. You already know. Driving it, just a good feeling. Drive it anyway. I know you guys haven't seen this Z in a while.
Let me get out. Hold on.
I caught him lacking.
No.
Check out the fitment, guys. It's the new fitment. This is how you catch guys on bags. Oh, lacking right now. There's a new color, new design on the roof. Check it out. Sick. That's why, yeah. Yeah, if he just puts it in, then he can go in and this bumper comes out, right?
Yeah. If I had regular fenders, I could have pulled them. These I can't.
What else is new? The trunk setup, right? Gee, look at that, guys. Plexiglass, right?
Yeah. Lights.
And lights. There's a hack, a secret sauce.
Yep.
Secret sauce. There you go. See that? He just has a switch back there. Turns it on. Look at that. You guys can't see right now, but during the nighttime,
yeah.
It's crazy. That's a new diffuser there. Sick. Oh. Good. We got 2 V8s. We got the E550 daily. Fucking sick. V8, comfortable as hell, man. Crazy. These cars were ahead of its time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab a drink right now from the gas station. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna do a third gear pull. Watch how hard third gear hits, okay?
It's on the turn though.
Okay. Third gear. Stock block!